Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two powerful dash cams that will capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Jaeger dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's dive right into our first category, video quality. The Chensive 4K dashcam boasts an impressive 4K resolution, capturing every detail of your drive. It even offers 1440p and 1080p video simultaneously. On the other hand, the Jaeger dashcam delivers a stunning 2.5K resolution, providing 70% more pixels than 1080p. That's some serious clarity on the road. Now let's shed some light on our next category, night vision. The Chensive dashcam features super night vision and infrared cabin light, ensuring clear footage even in low light conditions. With its f2.0 aperture and wide dynamic range technology, you won't miss a thing day or night. Moving on to our next category, storage and loop recording. The Chensive dashcam comes with a free 64GB SD card already inserted into the camera. With its loop recording function, you don't have to worry about running out of storage space. It automatically overwrites the oldest footage, except for emergency locked videos. Let's talk about some extra features that make these dashcams stand out. The Chensive dashcam has a 3-channel setup, capturing the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle. This is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants maximum road coverage. Both of these dash cams have received positive reviews, with customers praising the video quality, night vision capabilities, storage options, and additional features. The Chensive 4K dashcam is highly recommended for its impressive resolution and 3-channel setup, perfect for rideshare drivers. On the other hand, the Jaeger dashcam is praised for its affordable price, Wi-Fi connectivity, and user-friendly mobile app. It's a tough decision, but it ultimately comes down to personal preferences and specific needs. And there you have it, folks. The Chensive 3-channel 4K dashcam and the Jaeger dashcam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera go head-to-head in this epic battle. Whether you prioritize resolution, night vision, storage, or additional features, both of these dashcams have something to offer. Remember, making a smart purchase is all about understanding your needs and finding the right fit for you. Be sure to check the links in the description below for more information on these amazing dashcams. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next one.